All right, boys and girls, so we are back to normal lessons. I know you're so excited about that. Make sure you are recording and writing this down as we get going. So, new chapter, we're going to be talking a lot about polynomials. So what's a polynomial? A polynomial is anything with a plus or a minus in it. All right, so this would be a binomial that has two terms, binomial, two terms, two distinct separate pieces. All right, the important thing to remember when we are adding and subtracting polynomials is you can only combine like terms. And I know you've heard that before, okay? So when we have two polynomials, or it could be more than two, added or subtracted, the first thing we need to do is get rid of these parentheses. So you check to see, is there anything in front of the parentheses that can be distributed? That's the first thing we need to check for. You see there's no distribution. We won't have any of that today. All right, so is there any distribution? No. So nothing changes the numbers inside the parentheses. Is there any distribution here? All right, we know technically, invisible ones and stuff like that. This is a plus sign, so I don't need to worry about it. Nothing changing any of the numbers in here. Now, it's a matter of combining the like terms. What are the like terms in this problem? Like terms are the ones with the same variables and exponents. So we've got 2x plus 3x. And we've touched on this. Use the sign in front of the number, all right? Don't look here. That minus belongs to the 7. Don't look behind the term. Never look behind the term. You always look in front. So it's 2x plus 3x. So you combine those together, 5x. Again, we're just adding and subtracting. Now, we've got the like terms here. Again, use the sign in front of the number, so I've got a minus 7, minus 4. If you struggle with the adding and subtracting with negative numbers, get a calculator out so you do that right. Minus 7 minus 4 is minus 11. These two are not like terms. They can't be combined. That's what your answer is. That's it. That's all there is to it. There's no equal sign. We don't solve. We don't figure out what x is. Combine like terms and be done. So, number 2. Again, check to see if there's anything in front that will change. No change. 8x minus 9. Is there anything in front of this parentheses that'll make a change? Yeah, that minus sign. That's a big deal. I can't just copy this down. I've got to take that minus sign and distribute it and change all the signs. So this is a positive 3x, so I write minus 3x. This is a plus 4, so I write minus 4. Change the signs if there's a minus sign in front of the parentheses. All right, now we look for like terms. 8x minus 3x. Again, take the sign in front of the number. 8x minus 3x. 5x. Minus 9 minus 4. There you go, final answer. All right. Number 3, is there anything in front of the parentheses that's going to make a change? Nope. So copy that down exactly as it was. Is there anything in front of this parentheses that's going to make a change? Yes, there is. So remember, each sign gets changed. So what am I going to write here? Minus 4x squared plus 5x plus 5. Change the signs. Okay? What like terms do you see? Remember, like terms mean same variables and exponents. So the x squareds are the ones that are the same. So I've got 3x squared minus 4x squared. Any other like terms? Minus 9 plus 5. Plus 5 plus 5. And that's your answer. These are not like terms because this has an x squared. This is just an x. They're not like terms. They're not the same thing. I can't add them together or subtract them. Number 4. Do number 4 and number 5 on your own. No change. Change. Combine like terms. Minus 7 plus 7. 0. If it's 0, don't write it. There's none of them. Don't just write an X, because that means there's 1. If there's none, don't write anything. Minus 3 plus 9 plus 6. Those are not like terms. No change. There's a plus sign. No change. Combine like terms. Minus 7 plus 8 is plus 1. Of course, you don't have to write the 1. Minus 10. Questions, comments, or issues? Get them out, get to work. Good luck.